Welcome to our audiobook Numbers Made Easy. In this episode, I am going to demonstrate how to find the powers of numbers on the native numbers application on Mac with VoiceOver. Without further delay, let's get started. Let's go to the desktop with Vivo Shift D.
Desktop.
Press and hold the command key and then hit the space bar to activate Spotlight.
Spotlight. Spotlight search window. Blank search text field.
Type numbers
NUMBERS. Numbers.
and then hit the return key.
Finder. Desk numbers. Open window. Column view.
Now we are on the numbers application. Command N as in November opens the collection of templates.
Window. Collection.
Generally, the keyboard focus is on the simple table with 22 rows and 7 columns. Hit the return key to take this simple table template having 22 rows and 7 columns.
Untitled window. Table 1, 22 rows, 7 columns. 1 cell selected B2, empty cell.
Interact with this table by using Vivo Shift down arrow.
In Table 1, 22 rows, 7 columns. 1 cell selected B2, empty cell, row 2, empty cell.
Vivo FN left arrow takes us to the first row, first column, first cell A1.
Column header cell, row header cell, cell, row 1, A1.
I am typing serial number in this first row, first column, first cell.
Word, table style 1 cap SL, SL period, cap O, SL no.
Hit the return key to go to the next cell vertically in this first column.
Row header cell, cell, A2.
Let me type 1 as the first number in this column.
Word, table style 11, 1.
Hit the return key once again to go to the next cell vertically on this first column.
Row header cell, cell, A3.
Let me type 2 as the next serial number in this cell.
Word, table style 12, 2.
I'm going to the previous cell by pressing the up arrow.
1. Row header cell, cell, A2.
Shift down arrow to select these two numbers 1 and 2.
2. Row header cell, added to selection, A2 through A3. Selected.
Press and hold the command key and then press the backslash, which is just above the return key on our keyboard.
Autofill. Entered autofill mode.
It activates the autofill mode. Command down arrow to extend the selection up to the last cell in this first column.
A 4 through A22 autofilled.
Let me hit the return key to autofill the serial numbers in this first column.
1. Row header cell, removed from selection. 2. Row header cell, selected, exited autofill mode.
Press the down arrow.
3. Row header cell, cell, A4.
Command down arrow takes us to the last cell of this first column.
21. Row header cell, cell, A22.
There are 22 rows in this table. I have used the first cell of this column to type the heading for this column as serial number. So the last serial number in the last cell is 21.
21. Row header cell, cell A22.
Command up arrow to go to the first cell of this column.
SL no, column header cell, row header cell, cell A1.
Hit the tab key to go to the next cell on this first row.
Column header cell, cell B1.
I am typing squares as a heading of this second column.
Word QUARE. Square S. Squares.
Press the down arrow.
Empty cell B2.
Let me activate the formula mode just by pressing the equal to, which is just to the left side of the delete key on our keyboard.
Formula editor.
I am typing A as in apple,
A.
followed by the number 2.
2. A 2.
Next I am typing shift 6.
Caret.
Next I am typing the number 2.
2.
Now I have to hit the return key to get the answer.
Table 1, 22 rows, 7 columns. 1 cell selected A32. Row header cell, untitled, window.
Press the down arrow.
1. Formula result, cell B2.
Command C to copy the formula.
Copy.
Command Shift down arrow to select all the remaining cells of the second column.
B3 through B22, added to selection, B2 through B22, selected.
Command V as in vector E to paste the formula inside the selected cells.
Paste.
Press the down arrow.
4. Formula result, cell B3.
Here I got 2 square, which is 4. Press the down arrow once again.
9. Formula result, cell B4.
Here I got the answer for 3 square, which is 3 times 3, and that is 9.
16. Formula result, cell B5.
Command down arrow to go to the last cell.
441. Formula result, cell B22.
Here I got the answer for 21 times 21, which is 441. Now let's find the cubes of the same numbers from 1 up to 21. Command up arrow to go to the first cell of this second column.
Squares, column header cell, cell B1.
Hit the tab key.
Column header cell, cell C1.
I am typing cubes in this cell.
Cap CUBES.
The cube of a number is obtained by multiplying the number 3 times with itself.
Cubes.
Press the down arrow.
Empty cell C2.
Now I am activating the formula mode once again just by pressing the equal to.
Formula editor.
I am typing A as in apple,
A.
followed by the number 2.
2.
Next I am typing shift 6 to get the caret symbol.
Caret.
Next I am typing the number 3 to make it a cube.
3.
Hit the return key to get the answer for this formula.
Table 1, 22 rows, 7 columns. 1 cell selected C3 empty cell, untitled, window. 1. Formula result, cell C2.
Now you can observe that I got 1, which is the answer for 1 cube in this cell. Command C to copy the formula.
Copy.
Command Shift down arrow to select all the remaining cells in this column.
C3 through C22, added to selection, C2 through C22, selected.
Press and hold the command key and then type the letter V as in victory to paste the formula.
Paste.
Now press the down arrow.
8. Formula result, cell C3.
Here I got the answer for 2 cube, which is 8. Command down arrow to go to the last cell of this column.
9261. Formula result, cell C22.
Here you can see the answer for 21 cube.
Desktop.
In this process, we can find the power of any number inside the numbers application on Mac with VoiceOver. If you have any queries or feedbacks, feel free to write an email to my email address appleabilities@gmail.com. I hope you have enjoyed this episode, and I will catch you up in the next episode on the numbers application. Thank you all. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.
This is an Apple Voice
Apple Voice
presentation.
presentation.